There is a lot of noise around the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 right now. Here is my honest take. This thing is a game changer. Let's dive into what makes it so special. First off, we've got the brains. The AMD Ryzen 7800X3D 4.2GHz processor that's going to make your favorite games run smoother than ever before. Think of it like having an absolute powerhouse under the hood, just waiting to unleash its fury on whatever game you're playing. Next up, we've got the graphics card, a seriously powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 that's going to bring even the most demanding games to life in glorious detail. This thing is like a ray of sunshine for your screen, making every frame pop with vibrant colors and razor-sharp clarity. It's not just about playing games fast. It's about having an immersive experience that draws you in and refuses to let go. Now, we've got the heart of the beast, 1TB Gen 4 NVMe M.2 SSD that's going to store all your games and programs at lightning-fast speeds. This thing is like a rocket ship for your digital files, launching them into orbit with breathtaking acceleration. Say goodbye to waiting forever for your computer to load up, because with this SSD, you'll be off and running in no time. I've got to tell you, folks, I put this machine through its paces, and it delivers in spades. I'm talking about games like Elden Ring, Night Rain, Baldur's Gate 3, Cyberpunk 2077, the list goes on and on. This thing can handle anything you throw at it, with silky smooth performance that's just a joy to behold. The graphics are so sharp, so vibrant, so full of life that you'll feel like you're right there in the game. And here's the kicker, this powerful gaming PC comes with a price tag that won't break the bank. It's like getting an absolute powerhouse for pennies on the dollar, and that's just a no-brainer if you ask me. But let's get real, the only thing holding this machine back from being a true superstar is the price. I mean, it's still pretty steep, even by gaming PC standards. If you're looking to dip your toes into the world of high-performance gaming on a budget, you might want to keep an eye out for some deals or discounts. Now, if you're like me and you're all about getting the best bang for your buck, the Skytech Gaming Azure 3 is the machine for you. It's not just a PC. It's an experience, a gateway to a world of limitless possibility where you can play, create, and work with confidence. And that, my friends, is something truly special. If you appreciate reviews that do not skip the downsides, subscribe. See you next week. Link is in the description. Take care. See you in the next video.